Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Blood Bank MCQ. First question, which of the following is Bombay phenotype? Options are the option A, HH, capital H, small h, option B, capital H, capital H, option C, A minus, B minus, option D, possess anti-A, anti-B, anti-H and anti-AB antibodies. The answer is option D, possess anti-A, anti-B, anti-H and anti-A antibody. It is denoted by HH, small h and small h. Next question, how much iron is present in 1 unit of all blood? How much iron is present in 1 unit of all blood? Four options are the option A 200 milligram, option B 250 milligram, option C 340 milligram and option D 100 milligram. The answer is option A 200 milligram. Next question, cryoprecipitate contain option A factor 8, factor 9 and factor 2, option B factor 7, 8, 9, 10, option C factor 8, factor 9, factor 13 and 1 millibrand factor, option D factor 8, factor 9, factor 10 and 1 millibrand. The answer is option C. Cryoprecipitate contain factor 8, factor 9, factor 13 and 1 millibrand. Next question, which among the following is not transmitted by blood transfusion? Which among the following is not transmitted by blood transfusion? Four options are the options are hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C and hepatitis D. The answer is hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is not transmitted through blood transfusion. Next question, antibody present on the surface of RBC is tested by. Antibody present on the surface of RBC is tested by. Four options are the option A direct cum test in serum, option B indirect cum test in RBC, option C direct cum test in RBC, option D indirect cum test in serum. The answer is option C direct cum test in RBC. Antibody present on the surface of RBC is tested by RBC's direct cum test. Next question, the final anticoagulant to blood ratio in whole blood anticoagulate unit is, four options are the option A 1:5, option B 1:7, option C 1:9 and option D 1:4. The answer is 1:7, option B 1:7. Next question, which is the most common blood group found in Indian population? Which is the most common blood group found in Indian population? Option A positive, option B B positive, option C AB positive and option D O positive. The answer is O positive. It's a simple question. Next question, the anti-D antibody belonging to which class of immunoglobulin? Anti-D antibody belonging to which class of immunoglobulin? Option A IgA, option B IgE and option C IgG and option D IgM. The answer is option C IgG. Anti-D is IgG type. Next question, a person has A negative blood group. Which of the following blood group are compatible for him? Four options are the option A blood group A positive, option B blood group B positive, option C blood group O positive and option D blood group O negative. The answer is blood group O negative. A negative person only transfuse A negative or O negative. Next question, which of the following is correct about platelet transfusion? Which of the following is correct about platelet transfusion? Option A, platelet are stored at 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Option B, platelet can be stored for 13 days for the time of collection. Option C, transfusion of 1 unit of platelet in an adult can be increased the platelet count by 1000. Option D, HLA cross matching is done before collecting platelet from donor. The answer is option A, platelet are stored at 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Individual with a D negative blood group have one of the following on their RBC membrane. Individual with a D negative blood group have one of the following on their RBC membrane. Option A, antigen RHD. Option B, antigen RHCE. Option C, antigen both RHD and RHCE. Option D, neither RHD nor RHCE. The answer is option B, antigen RHCE. Next question. Which blood group system is based on cold reacting antibodies? Four options are there. Option A, Duffy blood group system. Option B, Kell blood group system. Option C, MNS blood group system. And option D, RH blood group system. The answer is MNS blood group system. Option C, MNS blood group system. The all other are based on IgG type antibodies. MNS is based on IgM type antibody. IgM type antibodies are cold reacting antibodies. Next question. Which one of the following is not a natural occurring antibody? Which one of the following is not a natural occurring antibodies? Four options are there. Option A, anti-A antibody. Option B, anti-B antibody. Option C, anti-AB antibody. And option D, anti-D antibody. The answer is option D, anti-D antibody. All others are ABO blood group antibodies. They are IgM type, and anti-D antibodies is IgG type. IgG type is not natural occurring. It is produced due to any immune response. Next question. Plasmapheresis is done for the following clinical condition. Plasmapheresis is done for the following, one of the following clinical condition. Options are the option A, sepsis. Option B, multiple myeloma. Option C, allergy to albumin. Option D, severe hypokalemia. The answer is option B, multiple myeloma. Next question. The transfusion of O negative blood group can trigger severe transfusion reaction in. The transfusion of O negative blood group can trigger severe transfusion reaction in. Four options are the option A, genotype AO. Option B, genotype AB. Option C, genotype H plus, that is capital H plus, and option D, genotype H plus, that is small h plus. The answer is option D, genotype H plus, that is Bombay blood group. O negative blood group is the universal donor blood group, but it may lead severe transfusion reaction in Bombay blood group like minor blood group. Next question. The gene of Rh antigen is present on. The gene of Rh antigen is present on. Four options are there. Option A, chromosome 1. Option B, chromosome 5. And option C, chromosome 9. Option D, chromosome 11. The answer is option A, chromosome 1. Rh gene is present on chromosome 1 and the ABO gene is present on chromosome number 9. Next question. The biochemical composition of blood group A substance is. The biochemical composition of blood group A substance is. Four options are there. Option A, fucose galactose N-acetyl galactosamine protein. Option B, fucose galactose N-acetyl galactosamine protein plus N-acetyl galactosamine. Option C, fucose galactose N-acetyl galactosamine protein galactose. Option D, fucose galactose N-acetyl galactosamine protein glucose. The answer is option B, fucose galactose N-acetyl galactosamine protein N-acetyl galactosamine. Next question. Indirect antiglobulin test is used in blood bank for. Indirect antiglobulin test is used in blood bank for. Four options are the detecting anti-D antibody in serum. Option B, detecting irregular antibody in the serum. Option C, detecting autoantibody in serum. Option D, all of the above. The answer is option D, all of the above. Indirect antiglobulin test is used in blood bank for detecting anti-D antibody in serum, detecting irregular antibody in serum, detecting autoantibody in serum. The next question. Which of the following is not a method to screen blood donors for HIV in blood bank? Which of the following is not a method to screen blood donors for HIV in blood bank? 4 options are the option A, ELISA, option B, chemiluminescence, option C, rapid detection card, option D, Western blot. The answer is Western blot. Western blot is the confirmatory test for HIV. So it is not used in blood bank. The next question. Which blood component contain a volume of less than 75 ml usually? Which blood component contain a volume of less than 75 ml usually? 4 options are the option A, red blood cells, option B, platelet concentrate, option C, platelet rich plasma PRP, option D, fresh frozen plasma FFP. The answer is option B, platelet concentrate. The all others are more than 75 ml. The next question, question number 44. Which type of antibody is most commonly involved in warm autoimmune hemolytic anemia? Which type of antibody is most commonly involved in warm autoimmune hemolytic anemia? 4 options are the option A, IgG, option B, IgM, option C, IgA, and option D, none of the above. Answer is option A, IgG. All IgM and IgA are cold antibody and IgG is warm antibody. Next question. Polyspecific Coombs reagent used in blood bank contain. Polyspecific Coombs reagent used in blood bank contain. 4 options are the option A, IgM and complement 3B, option B, IgG and complement 3D, option C, IgA and complement 3B, and last option D, IgG and complement C1Q. The answer is option B, IgG and C3D. Polyspecific Coombs reagent used in blood bank containing IgG and C3D. Next question. Which of the following reagent is not used for weak D, that is DU testing? Which of the following reagent is not used for DU testing? 4 options are the option A, IgM NDD, option B, IgM plus IgG NDD blend, option C, IgG NDD, and option D, last option, antiglobulin reagent. The answer is option A, IgM NDD. IgM NDD is not used for weak DU or DU testing. Next question. Peripheral smear is used to screen for the presence of which of the organism in blood donor? Peripheral smear is used to screen for the presence of which organism in blood donor? 4 options are the Plasmodium, option B, Treponema, option C, Giardia, option D, none of the above. Plasmodium, Treponema, Giardia, and none of the above. The answer is option A, Plasmodium. Next question. Cryoprecipitate is used for which of the following disease? Cryoprecipitate is used for which of the following disease? 4 options are the option A, Hemophilia A, option B, Hemophilia B, and option C, sickle cell anemia, option D, factor 7 deficiency. The answer is option A, Hemophilia A. Cryoprecipitate is used for treatment in Hemophilia A. Next question. What is the diameter of RBC? 4 options are the option A, 2 to 3 microns, option B, 6 to 8 micrometer, and option C, 10 to 12 micrometer, and option D, 0.5 to 1 microns. The answer is option B, 6 to 8 microns. It also a simple question. Next question. Question number 50. Coulomb's agglutination technique can be used for. Four options are the forward grouping and option B reverse grouping and option C cross matching, option D all of the above. The answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Apheresis procedure is collect a single donor platelet, take approximately. Apheresis procedure to collect a single donor platelet take approximately. Four options are the option A 10 minutes, option B 15 minutes, option C 5 minutes, option D 1 hour. The answer is option D 1 hour. Next question. Which of the following gauge of needle used in blood bag for whole blood collection? What is the gauge of needle used in blood bag for whole blood collection? Four options are the option A 17 gauge and option B 23 gauge and option C 16 gauge, option D 22 gauge. The answer is option C 16 gauge. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.